Jiangsu Hendong Port Machinery Manufacturing Co., Ltd. The company was founded in the year 2009. Is a professional manufacturer of port cranes, ship cranes, grabs and hoppers, integrating R&D design, production, and installation, north of the Yangtze River and east of Shanghai, located in the Yangtze River Delta, with convenient transportation. The company holds Class A certification for special lifting equipment and complies with ISO 9001 and CCS quality standards, along with import-export rights. Its product portfolio spans 29 series and over 200 specifications, including fixed or slewing cranes, hydraulic cranes, marine cranes, grabs and hoppers widely used in ports, power plants, and industrial facilities. Warmly welcome your inquiries and visiting.